Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove audio from video in InShot. If you're new to InShot and you don't know how to do it, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone and choose the video option. Here, click on New to start a new project. After this, select a video that you want to edit. For now, I'll choose this video and click here to add it to your timeline. Now, to remove the audio from this video, simply click on Audio and select the video, and here you can see the volume slider. Simply take it all the way to 0 and click here to save changes. And again, click here. And now if we play the video has no sound. And just like that, we can remove audio from a video in InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.